The world needs 230 billion square meters of floors between now and 2050, and that's basically one Paris added to Mother Earth every week. One of the key problems with floors is that they vibrate, and they vibrate because people use floors and people walk on floors. So the question is, how do we design floors so that they don't vibrate? Calm floor is really designed to replace huge amount of additional materials which would otherwise be needed to control vibrations. Our key idea is to actually employ principles of noise cancellation headphones, but on a floor scale.
Well, it was originally my PhD research that was looking at active control, and it was then after some consultancy projects that we realised there's this huge potential to use this technology. We originally started using off-the-shelf components, but we quickly found that designing a system using this would be way too expensive and that no one would want to buy it. So we looked at designing everything from scratch, looking at the mechanical systems and the electrical, all through to developing our own firmware. It's really important that we source locally for this. So, for example, one of our most local suppliers is literally 50 meters away.
A few years ago, in 2014, 2015, we had the opportunity to design and commission the world's first active mass damper for a concert venue. This was in Las Vegas in the USA and consisted of about 10 tons of moving mass moving up and down to control vibrations from a crowd during concerts. So that was an incredible project that I worked on with my colleague Emma. And that really was the first commercialised active mass damper that we worked on. And then more recently, we decided we wanted to commercialise the technology as a new company. So we set up FSD Active. We managed to win some, firstly, research funding to develop the technology. And then subsequently, we managed to get equity investment as well to fund the company and to fund the development of our calm floor product.
First, we measure the vibrations using sensors or accelerometers. Then, in real time, less than 1,000th of a second, we calculate the ideal force that we can apply back to the structure to cancel out those vibrations. We generate that force by moving an inertial mass in the opposite direction, and that's applied to the structure to cancel out the vibrations. We've looked at minimizing friction and eliminating moving cables, all so that we can deliver high performance and know that we can do this over years at a time with minimal maintenance. So our environmental impact is also really important to us. Our design has evolved so that we can minimize our embodied carbon footprint. So we've done things like reduce the amount of aluminium and steel that we use. Looking at the alternative options out there, you've essentially got the choice of installing a column in the middle of your floor, or you could throw a huge amount of steel and concrete to stiffen the structure. But this goes against the whole principles of sustainable construction. Or alternatively, you could use a passive device like a true mass damper. These are typically 500 to 2,000 kilos or more and are designed specifically for each structure. And there can be difficulties in achieving vibration reductions at very low levels. Calm Floor is a standardized product, that delivers huge performance and adapts to each structure that it's installed in. We use really sensitive sensors that mean we can measure vibrations that are basically imperceptible to people. And this means we can deliver outstanding performance before people really feel anything. And all of this in a tiny package that weighs less than me. So installation on site is really simple.
What I'm so excited about actually is seeing the end result of what we've tried to build here. You know, we started from complete scratch with a new company. We've obtained the funding, we've obtained the investment. We've developed the product which we're going to be delivering to customers very soon. And I'm really excited to see where this goes. I really believe that Carnfill will be a solution to a wide range of problems that our customers face, a solution which they've never had before. And also I believe it will facilitate much more intelligent structures with much less embodied carbon. So it's a really exciting time to see all of this come to fruition.